everybody, welcome back to another Cash Stuff on Sunday. Guys, I have started to just use the microphone on the phone. The last two episodes that I did with my Cash Stuff and journey the sound has been absolutely chronic. I don't know what's going on. So today I'm just using the normal phone with the whatever's built into it. So I'm not using any external mics or anything because I just can't seem to figure it out. Anyhow, guys, I hope you are all doing well. Don't forget to like and subscribe and do all the YouTubey things that keeps us motoring here on this channel. Right, so guys, how are you getting on with all your cash stuff? And have you got your little books, or are you doing books, or are you making your own? Let me know in the comments below what way you're working at. I love to find new ways, especially very cost effective ways, and ways some people like, you know, reuse old like colouring books, like what I've done with this. You probably see somewhere through it there's like loads of colouring that the kids have done, but they don't use this one anymore, so I may as well just use it up until it's done. Guys, so this week we're going to be doing some sinking fund stuff as well. Plus we're also going to be moving some things from the sinking funds into the normal cash stuff. And I'll talk to you about that in a few minutes when I get that far. So for now, let's just get straight into the cash stuff. And we're going in with 200 smackers again. 2, 4, 6, 8. 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that is 200 right there. So let's just push these aside for a minute. And let's get into the cash stuffing. Now my bills are quite basic. I'm not someone who has a lot of fancy things, but we still have bills nonetheless. So on this it says 50 is going for council tax, which I have to pay. I might do that tomorrow, actually pay it tomorrow, because I just want to get rid of it now at this stage. 2, 4. I'm going to take a tenner there. That's 50. I wonder if there any more tenors in there. No. So let's just, let me check what I do have in here. So it's 2, 4, and there's a tenner. 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 120, 140, 160, 180. I'm going to swap that one out for a 20. So that is, I think it's 200 I just said, isn't it? 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 120, 140, 160, 180. Yeah, 200. So that's grand. Put that into it there now. Because what I want to do with the council tax as well is, because the bill doesn't get due until April, or is it the end of March, start of April? I can't remember. But whichever way it works, I want to start having a little bit of a build up on it. So when the bill comes in and then it works it out monthly for you, I want to actually be on top of it so that my monthly payments for the future are less, if that makes sense. So we're going to do 50 for food. These days I think I should even be going up to 60, but at the minute I just can't afford it. But not too bad, we're not doing too bad on that. 20 is going into childcare. I need to actually put that into childcare. Have I any tenors or fivers? No. Don't have enough there. Okay, that's fine. The 20 is going to go into Argos. Again, we're not too bad with the Argos. It's not due till the 25th of the month, and at this rate of going, I'll have most of it paid off. I think I owe, gosh, I need to check how much I owe actually on that. I'm not 100%. 10 is going in off ferry, which that's grand. And now we should have, oh, what's going in off water? Oh no, I didn't put any in off water. Oh, that's okay. We have enough. We're good. I actually checked the water bill the other day and I'm in credit. So that's all good. Now, let's start with the cash stuff and sinking funds. So, as I said, I've put a few new categories into this. So my categories are holiday, house, sports, date night, insurance, and birthday. They're my categories. But I'm thinking of taking the sports one out, because that is a running monthly thing. Well, I wouldn't say monthly, but it's definitely termly. So with the school holidays and stuff, it always comes up like just after it. So I think it would be a good idea. And it's due this week actually. So I'm thinking I might move it from here to here, because it's a continuational bill. So yeah, we'll go there with that. So let's start putting into our sinking funds. Right, where are we? Holidays. House is getting a tenner. Oh, I should have got some tenors out. Hold on now. So in the house fund, oh gosh, she's looking healthy. So we have 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to swap that. So that is 70 quid off my mortgage. That's brilliant. Ooh, la la. Right, the holiday is getting a tenner, which that will just be a continuation of one. We have no plans yet. We're trying to plan stuff, but Christmas again is getting nothing because I didn't budget for it. So, you know, we've just been. Birthdays is getting a £5, which I think is adequate for birthdays. We have a birthday party, which are actually 2 birthday parties the end of this month on the same day. So that will be part of paying for that. What's the next one? Insurance is getting a £5. I mean, at least it's getting something. Date night is getting, oops, daisy, I'm catching me fivers. Let me see. Date night is getting, what did I say? It's getting a tenner. Oh gosh, tenner for date night. Who knew? And I'm going to move £10 from the sports. This was supposed to go into the sports, so I'm just going to put that in because that's where that is due. And then when I go to pay for it on Wednesday, it'll all be done. And I still have a tenner left over. Where am I missing out now? So I've got, have I done the holiday? I did, didn't I? I've done the house, done the holiday, the sports, date night got a tenner, £5 in insurance. Did I put the insurance in? I did. And £5 for birthday. Oh, holy moly. I have a £5 left over, tenner left over. What'll I put that towards? What'll I put that towards? Oh my goodness. Do you know what? Maybe we'll do a £5 into Christmas. Let's get that one started. How did I manage that wrong? 5, 10, 15, no, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50. I've done something wrong somewhere along the line there, haven't I? How did I do that now? I did the birthday one. Oh well, £5 into Christmas it goes. Oh, I didn't do the holiday one. That's where the tenner was supposed to go into the holiday. Ah, sure, look. Be grand. No, I put a tenner in. I did. Oh gosh, I'm really confused now. Birthday and insurance. Well, I may as well put that into the insurance because you know what? It'll be coming around. And look, at everybody has enough to get by. It'll all be fine. Alrighty, folks. That is the cash stuff and done with both the sinking funds. I'm going to have to look back on the video there and see what I did wrong. I bet you I've missed one of them somewhere. I'm such a goose. Honestly, I've got the brain span of a sparrow. Right, let's see what we're doing with the penny challenges. And don't forget, I did mention a while back about an app that had just kind of made it easier for you to track. I can't remember what it was called. Again, head like a sieve. But I'll put a link into it, or I'll put the app face, whatever you call it, up on the thingy so you can all see what it actually looks like, because I find it fierce handy for tracking. All right, let's go see what we got. Oh, £3 and 3p, and I'm sure we have that there somewhere. £3 and 3p, there we go. Nice. And that is it. Cash stuffing is all done, folks, for this week. Wasn't that a nice one? I just need to see where I went wrong on that now, because that's only going to irritate me. But other than that, we are doing good. Bills are getting paid. Bills are ahead of themselves. And I'm fairly happy with all of this. Very good. I hope you are all doing very well with your cash stuffing as well. Let me know in the comments below how you are getting on, what you are doing. I love hearing your little stories about, you know, how you're doing, how your motivation is, or what your motivation is rather. And yeah. Thanks a million for commenting on my last couple of videos, even though the sound was atrocious. I'm really, really sorry. My voice still isn't back to normal, but I feel I'm getting there. I still feel kind of deep. But look, it's the new year. We're getting on. Anyhow, I'll talk to you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and do all the YouTube things, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye guys. Love y'all. Mwah.